Anil Agarwal, what was the pattern in BEL? Ramanujam, today candlestick patterns. Today candlestick patterns, Ramanujam. Chetan, I made a profit in open interest setup yesterday, Bank Nifty, and today in Nestle. Good, thank you. Tirumurugan, good evening. So let us start. So who told the Divis Lab flag pattern? Sagar, good evening. Yes. Okay, in which time frame? This is the flag pattern. This is a triangle, and this one daily. Yes. Yes, Pius. Right. So you can convert this into smaller time frame, then it will be clear. ऐसे देखना. TVS. $15 minutes. This one, Naveen. This one. Manish, hello. There is a question. Manish, there will be a separate doubt clearing session. Don't worry. So stop loss is the base of the origin of that. ऐसा है ना वो. This is the stop loss. Target will be the height of this pole. Take the height of this pole, and from here start the same one. Okay, this is the target. Chetan, here from here people are from different two batches. Okay, those who are attentive very new. Okay, we are allowed you to watch this, because 2 बार रिपीटेशन होगा तो अच्छा रहता है ना आपको, उसके वास्ते आपको अलाउ किया है. Those who are first, please keep watching. So let us start. Start करें. All the questions done. Yes, Naveen Kumar. Today movement was not easy. Okay, let me give you 2 minutes of today's Nifty and Bank Nifty view. That is very important, because this kind of situations will not be repeating. Okay, that's why today itself I need to tell you something. What today Nifty was bearish. Bank Nifty was bullish. Yes or no? So some stocks in the Nifty are dragging down, like Infi. Yes, some stocks in the Nifty are dragging down. When this situation will appear, see, it is very rare. Sometimes it is very rare. Opposite, it is very tough to trade. Better to avoid. नया लोगों को अवॉइड करने बहुत अच्छा लगता है, बहुत सूक्त होगा अवॉइड करने. So those who have trading knowledge well, they can keep very small stop losses and trade. तो इसमें क्या है ना, when it happens like this, तो छोटा सा स्टॉप लॉस में ज्यादा स्टॉप लॉस हिट होगा तो आपका फेवर में चले गए तो बहुत ज्यादा चलेगा, बिकॉज बैंक निफ्टी इज बुलिश. इसका जोड़ में ये जुड़ गए तो ये पावरफुल से 1000 पॉइंट्स ऊपर चले जाएगा. और इफ दिस joins with Nifty will fall like anything 200-300 points. Got it? So these situations, that's why we have given trades today, and which was very tough. एक बार बोला कास्ट टू कास्ट निकल के नहीं रहे, और एक बार बोला आपको एक बार तो स्टॉप लॉस हो गए निफ्टी का. So later we have a trade, but we already promised to stop the over trading. We don't want to teach you over trading. So तीन trade khatam, whether it is a profit, loss, cost, whatever. So you need to practice. To becoming a professional trader, you need to create your terms and conditions. आपका terms and conditions आप खुद बनाना होगा. You need to have the strongest mindset. I will not trade beyond 3 trades. Those who take 3 trades, they are the better traders. Okay, you cannot able to stop the emotions, but you can manage the emotions. Nothing can be stopped sometime, but we can manage that, anything. So same way, how can you manage? 3 trade ले लो, 3 trade में stop loss हुआ तो no problem, और 3 trade में भी profit हुआ तो it is good. Got it? Anybody feeling very sad for not getting trades? Which is the best Nifty or Bank Nifty in options as per your knowledge? If you are trading in options, Nifty, Bank Nifty both are good. Ready? Giri Reddy. The options returns is based on percentage return. Okay, that's why the move in the same. Maybe by Bank Nifty is 48,000 and Nifty is around 18,000, but the move will also be in the percentage. So returns will be same in the both Nifty options and Bank Nifty options. Remember, whenever because last year also we got the same thing in November. नवंबर में क्या हुआ? एक इंडेक्स बुलिश था, एक इंडेक्स बेरिश था. Okay, in this situation it is very tough to trade. एक week था, 1 week it was like this. So let us start with candlestick patterns. Nagaraj garu, how to remember? Matlab, if you keep practicing, it will come. Nagaraju, you don't need to worry. It is just a practice. Everything will come to your mind. So try to recognize these patterns on the charts. Then you will remember easily. No, Naveen Kumar, there is no powerful. First one is a single candlestick patterns. Single candlestick patterns. See, all these candlestick patterns we are learning for the purpose of entry and exit. Remember, there are different ways of trading. Okay, zone trading, this one resistance supports trading, and percentage trading, Fibonacci trading. There are two most awaited class. Okay, there are different types of trading, but when you use candlestick patterns for your trading entries, what will happen? It is very easy for you to reduce the risk. Plus you will be taking trades on confirmation. Without candlesticks, there will not be a proper confirmation. Candlestick pattern के ऊपर आप trade ले लिया तो there will be a confirmation with reduced risk. The total risk in the entry is the candlestick pattern itself. Suppose if you want to take a trade somewhere, the stock is falling like this, okay, and you want to take trade here, okay. If you take a trade, there is no proper stop loss, you can calculate. Okay, if you take a trade based on candlestick patterns, some patterns, definitely there will be a calculation in the stop loss, and that is a reduced stop loss. If you compare to any patterns, candlestick pattern is very best to reduce the stop losses. So first of all, I already told you candlestick patterns are used to take the trades or take the entries. Okay, so entry locations is already decided. As I told in the previous class, like if you want to take trade today, there are very important levels for today is yesterday high, yesterday close, yesterday opening, yesterday low. These are the most important points when you are taking a gap trade, or if you are taking supports, trades and supports, trades and resistances. All these locations are very important. At these locations, based on trend, at these locations, if the studied candle patterns, if you get the studied candle patterns, then you are going to take the trade. Suppose the trend is bullish, okay, and stock is falling. Trend is bullish, stock is falling, and it is coming to the support. The price has come to the support. Okay, now if you get a bullish candlestick pattern, whether it will be a single candle, a double candle, a triple candle, whatever, you are going to take buy trade. Why buy trade? Because it is a bullish trend. Always remember, take trades according to the trend. Never take contra trades. Contra trades matlab when the trend is bullish, taking a sell trade. No. Today, why we have taken buy trade in the Bank Nifty? Because Bank Nifty was bullish. It has fallen 250 points from the high. We know it will fall, but still we did not take any sell call. If we would have posted the sell in the Bank Nifty in the community, you will be also following the same thing, contra trade. So we don't want to teach you that. If you becoming a pro trader, you can do that. But in the starting, if we teach you to trade both the sides, that will be disaster for you. Okay, Nifty is also fallen almost 120 points from the high. So that entry is there in the bullet price action 2.0. Okay, you will get that videos. So till now, have you get the summary? Look at the trend. पहला ट्रेंड को देखो और प्राइस सपोर्ट तक आने को देखो और कैंडलस्टिक पैटर्न बनाना देखो. After getting the bullish candlestick pattern, take the trade, and according to that trade, exit at target. Anything doubt till now? Nagaraju, in first class, we have shown you how to draw the support and resistance. You can watch that first class video. Sir, first class video, మళ్ళీ చూడండి. If still you are not clear about that, you can join the next session. Anna, Stephen, இங்க பாருங்க. First the trend. Look at the trend. Trend is bullish. if a trend bullish irukku, you have to take only buy trades, because you will get profit only in the buy trades. Okay, Stefan, if trend is bearish, only sell trades. Okay, only sell trades. Now remember, buying trades, buy trades will be taken only at support, only at support, or on breakout of resistance. Okay, sell trades can be taken only at resistance or on breakdown of support. How many of you can understand this? Ramanujam, koncham sir. I am learning. Tamil is my neighbor state, no? I have to learn. Devendra, sir, Devendra, you will get that. Just please watch this class, that's all. Those who are very new, please watch this. Devrai, you will get the next session to understand support and resistance. Okay, this session is only candlestick pattern. Yes, Devendra. So you must remember this. This is very crucial for the trades. Buy trade is only at support, no in the middle, no in middle. See, it is the resistance, it is the support. If the price is here, no trade here. It should come at the support, or it should break the resistance here. Sell is only at resistance, only at here, or on breakdown of support, or here. No trades in the middle. It is clear. Oh, let us move to the candlestick pattern. If we go deep, very deep, it takes a lot of time. So, pehla candlestick pattern, first candlestick pattern is hammer. Hammer candlestick pattern looks like a hammer. It looks like a hammer. That's why we call it as a hammer. Sujit Kumar, I will show you, sir. I will show you. It looks like a hammer. That's why we call it as a hammer. Okay. This is the body. This is the body. This is the wick. Wick will be bigger than the body always. The body will be always below 35% of the total candle. Then we call it as a hammer. Okay. The body will be below 35%. You cannot keep the tape and measure it, but visually you must feel it should be less than 35% of the total body. Okay. This is the regular hammer, and there is one more hammer, that is inverted hammer. Inverted hammer. Whether it is a green, red, whatever. Okay. Whether this can be red or green, no problem. This can be red or green, no problem. So both are the single candlestick patterns. With this, two more candles are there. That is gravestone doji or regular doji. We call it as a regular doji. Where there is no body, only single line is there at the top, and total is the wick. Total body is the wick. Okay. This is the regular. This is the inverted doji. There are names for this: gravestone doji, dragonfly, whatever. If you remember simply, that is enough. This is the regular doji. Okay, and this is the inverted doji. Now, where are the trades you must take? Where are the trades you must take? See, towards upside, those who are towards upside, body is and closing is at upside. This one and this one, the closing is upside. If you compare to the body, the closing is at the upside, right? So all these upside candlestick patterns will be used to buy. Okay. Suppose the stock is falling like this, and at the support, at any support, the support means it is not only the price support. There are different kinds of supports, like price support, horizontal support, uh, moving average support, trend line support. Okay, all these are the supports. At supports, if you get this candle or this candle, whether it is a hammer or gravestone doji, okay, if you get any of this candle, it is a buying setup. Okay, it is a buying setup. It does not mean buy lelo, buy lelo. No. When do you take the trade? When next candle crosses the high of this candles. Suppose the high of this candle is 100 rupees. High of this candle is 100 rupees. You must take trade when price reaches to 101. 101. Okay. It is the confirmation. So on confirmation, you are going to take the trade. Then where do you place the stop loss? It is very easy. In all the candlestick patterns, all the buying candlestick pattern, whatever the low of that patterns is the stop loss. Suppose the low of this is 90, you must always keep 1 rupee buffer. It means 89 rupees is your stop loss. So is it clear till now? Is it clear till now? Mrinal, whatever the time frame you are trading, in that time frame you need to see this. Whatever the time frame you are looking charts, in that time frame, this you should look to take the trade. Whenever this candlestick pattern forms, it is called a setup. Whenever the price breaks the high of this candlestick pattern, it calls the confirmation. So whenever the confirmation happens, then only you have to enter the trade, buying trade. Okay. After, as soon as taking a buy trade, you must place your stop loss below the low of same candlesticks. Okay. Nitin, it is not exactly 1%. It will not be exactly 1%. It is like 20 paise per 1 rupee. Sorry, 100 rupees. 20 paise per 100 rupees. The buffer depends upon stock to stock, sir, most of the times. Okay. वो कैसे होता है ना, some stocks, say bank nifty, they take bank nifty. If this is the supportive line, like some candle has formed the low here and price went up, again price is coming, it can hit a 20 points range. इसका 20 points break करके नीचे आएगा और ऊपर चलेगा. So by looking at this, you must keep like 25 points buffer for this. Got it? So it will come based on your experience. Dev Rai, it is for everything. Nagaraju garu, hammer or doji, whichever comes, both are buying patterns. So if మీకు ఇది దొరికినా బై తీసుకోవచ్చు, ఇది దొరికినా బై తీసుకోవచ్చు. Okay. Ramana, that is different kind of trading. ATR trading is different. Okay. 8-hour trading is different, sir. Candlestick pattern is different. Ajata Shatru, sir, any time frame, whichever the time frame you are trading, in that time frame you have to look at this. If you are trading in a 5 minutes time frame, then look at the same thing. If you are trading in 15 minutes, 1 hour, whatever, which time frame you are trading, sir? Ajata Shatru, Vajpayee, which time frame? You must answer fast. 5 minutes. Then look at only 5 minutes. You can see it in 5 minutes only. Yes, Nagaraju. Yes, yes. See, these are here. It is regular doji. Okay. And these are the hammers. And these are the hammers. And these are the hammers. See how clearly they have worked. This is the hammer. You can see right clearly. This is the like doji. And this is the hammer. Do you need to enlarge the screen? अभी देख सकते हैं क्या? Sir, there is no indicator. This is moving average. This is moving average, 20 moving average. Green red does not matter, only at support. Yes, Sajata Shatru, right. Green or red hammer or doji does not matter. But hammer to रहना चाहिए. Hammer to रहना चाहिए. But it should be at the support. It should be at the support. See, there are all these hammers has come at the support. This is the support. Now this is totally support. And you can see it worked well here also, and here also. Okay. Is it clear? अभी देखना चाहते को अभी I will show you some another 2-3. What about today's first candle? Can we call? Yes, let us see, sir. अभी ये देखो ये flip high. This is the flip, right? So those who have attended previous classes, for them I am asking, this is the flip. Earlier it was a resistance. On breaking of this resistance, this become the support, and at the support you can see the hammer. अभी ये हैमर के ऊपर कभी ये हैमर बन गए ना, ये सेटअप बन गए. सेटअप बनता रहे तो आप ट्रेड करने के लिए रेडी होना. आफ्टर फॉर्मिंग दिस सेटअप, द नेक्स्ट कैंडल व्हेन ब्रेक्स द हाई ऑफ दिस कैंडल इज योर एंट्री, एंड स्टॉप लॉस तो इधर इसका लो में लगाना है. broken resistance and become support. Yes, Bangar Lenin. Yes, Veena madam. Because the color does not matter in this single candlestick. Once the high of this candle breaks, then domination of the buyers will take place. Anyway, in this hammer, there are 90% of the buyers are there already. When the price breaks the high of this, the totally 101% has been covered by the buyers. Then domination increases and the price goes in this favor. Sandeep, only one hammer. Sandeep Sagar, we are discussing about single candlestick pattern. सिंगल बोला तो एक ही है, उसका जोड़ में उसका जोड़ में चाहिए क्या अभी? And this is also at the support. So who was today's first candle? In which time frame? 10:45 కి హ్యామర్ వచ్చింది. ఎక్కడ? 10:45 ఇదా? 10:45 ఇదా? yes, it is hammer. Yes, Naveen. Yes. So is it clear? Buying is clear. Single candlestick pattern में buying clear हो गए क्या? Let us move to selling. Okay. Now another two candles for selling are the inverted hammer and this doji. Just a minute, hold on. Selling means put buying. Yes. So all these dojis are, we have discussed right now. We call it as a dragonfly doji. If you want to remember, like in the full name, the doji which shows you the buying is a dragonfly doji. Dragonfly. The doji which shows you selling is gravestone. So it looks like it is a grave and it is a stone. That's why people call it as a gravestone. And this looks like a fly, like this. So that's why people call it as a dragonfly. Nagaraj Garu, this is the hammer. This is what Naveen told. Okay. It is at support. Is any screener for, there are a lot of screeners, Pawan. Pawan, it is always better to look by eyes. Now, take selling, okay, only at resistance. Whenever there is a resistance, and price is approaching to that area, and if you get inverted hammer, color does not matter, inverted hammer or gravestone doji. Okay, this is the setup. Setup is found. Now, where is the trade? When price breaks the low of this, suppose the low is 100 rupees, your entry should be at 99 rupees. Okay, this is the confirmation. On confirmation, you are taking trade. Where do you put your stop loss? Above the high of this weeks. If the high is 110, then you put your stop loss 111. Bharti madam, whatever the time frame you are trading, in that time frame only. Suppose I suggest you to take trades in Bank Nifty or Nifty in 5 minutes or 15 minutes. You need to look the same thing on the same time frame which you are trading. Bharti madam, do you have any confusions? Please ask me the clear question. I will clarify you. आधा knowledge बहुत danger है. If you have any questions, you can ask. थोड़ा लंबा हुआ तो भी session, no problem. Sir, Bank Nifty is a high volatile stock. When there is a high volatility, always try to increase the time frame. Is it possible to track this in Bank Nifty and Nifty? Yes, Devendra ji. Sagar Jana, entry and stop loss. Sir, entry is below this hammer. Sir, it is the inverted hammer. Okay. It is gravestone doji. Sagar Jana, please listen here. Entry is selling entry. Both are for selling. कहाँ पे लेना आप सेलिंग? इसका लो है ना, दिस इज द लो. ये लो ब्रेक होते ही आप ट्रेड लेना है, सेलिंग ट्रेड. आपका स्टॉप लॉस लगाना इसके ऊपर. इधर भी इसका लो ब्रेक होते ही आप सेलिंग ट्रेड लेना है. स्टॉप लॉस कहाँ लगाना है? इसका हाई के ऊपर. सिंपल. YS 15 minutes, 30 minutes. Yes, Venkat Kumar, you can take. Fin Nifty also trading. We are trading in Fin Nifty. Namrata madam, sir, when think it's entry at 99 prices, but then stock is reverses from there. How to confirm that it's for right trade? When we think its entry is 99 prices, but madam, Namrata madam, please type it properly. I am not able to understand. If you are not comfortable in English, you can type it in Hindi. No problem. मैं जानता हूँ हिंदी को. सर ये रेड हो गया ग्रीन. मिथिलेश, कलर डज नॉट मैटर इन अ सिंगल कैंडलस्टिक पैटर्न. ये रेड है, ग्रीन है, किसी भी हो, नो प्रॉब्लम. नम्रता जी, आप हिंदी में टाइप करो. आपका भाषा में टाइप करो, मराठी में मत टाइप करो, मुझे नहीं आएगा. अभी मराठी सीख रहा हो, थोड़ा दिन होगा. So all the others can understand this. A day before we have a plan to trade that we will be done on daily basis. I shortlisted the stock and then I find the pattern and then trade in current day with the 5 minutes time frame. Am I correct? Bharti madam, don't worry all that. I will tell you how to shortlist the stock and I will tell you how to take the trade. Okay? उसमें अभी ज्यादा दिमाग मत लगाना, आपका दिमाग खराब हो जाएगा. अभी ये एंट्री का देख लेना. टाइम फ्रेम का मैं बोलता हूँ कौन सी टाइम फ्रेम में ट्रेड करना, क्लियरली बोलता हूँ. Manish, stop loss at immediate previous candle or lowest candle on the second previous candle. सर सिंगल कैंडल स्टिक पैटर्न में एक ही कैंडल आएगा मनीष जी, उसी कैंडल स्टिक्स हाई में लगाना है. यस गिरी रेड्डी. अभिषेक दोनों भी हाई, तो किसी लो हाई उसी लो में एंटर करो, किसी का हाई है उसी हाई पे स्टॉप लॉस लगाओ. ले सकते हैं देवराय. you can take because आपका risk कम हो गया ना, आपका risk कम हो गए. Okay, let us move to other topic. अभी आपको क्लियर हो गया ट्रेड कहाँ लेना है करके. ट्रेड शुड बी हैपन फॉर बाइंग is at support or break of the resistance. Selling should be at resistance or on the breakdown of the support. ये लिख लेना, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. अभी चलेगा डबल कैंडलस्टिक पैटर्न पे. डबल कैंडलस्टिक पैटर्न. The first one is अभी हमें वो दिखाएगा, भूल गए. Just we will have a look at the inverted hammer, inverted hammer and doji. Okay, this is the one inverted hammer at resistance. Okay, अभी देख लो, अभी दिखाता हूँ. अभी ये देख लो, this is a green hammer, right? Still it is at the resistance, it is at the resistance. That's why we are taking below this hammer. Somebody asked me, if both the candles are there like this, कहाँ पे एंट्री करना. एंट्री कोई दो कैंडल पे लोएस्ट लो कौन से है उसका लो पे एंटर करना, और स्टॉप लॉस भी हाईएस्ट है किसका है उसका ऊपर ही लगाना है स्टॉप लॉस. Yes, Mithilesh. In Wipro, I am seeing this Pawan Kumar. Okay, good. And you can see this hammer, inverted hammer. अभी ये भी देखो, inverted hammer, where at resistance. से ये inverted hammer भी आ गए. ये inverted hammer because of the earlier resistance. इधर पे resistance था, resistance पे आ गए. And one more inverted hammer. You can see this clear inverted hammer, green inverted hammer, but at resistance. You can see the result. Inverted hammer इस इधर पे go back. Where, sir? Inverted hammer, inverted hammer. Do you need some more? Inverted hammer at resistance. Venkata Kumar, sir, 17434. 17434. Where, sir? Venkat Kumar. I did not understand. Sanjay Kapoor. I will come to target. See, if you want target, urgent target, the target of single candlestick pattern will be always 1:1 by default. Anil Balla inverted hammer means hammer will be always having wick. उसका body 35% से अंदर होगा. Okay. सभी का डाउट क्लियर हो गए? Can I move ahead? आज का ट्रैप देखो, बैंक निफ्टी का ट्रैप. I have given exit for bullet entry. Bullet entry कहाँ पे मिला? इधर पे मिला. For safety I told you to book, but exactly it hit at the target and उधर पे वो ट्रैप नीचे आ गए. 1:1 मतलब कितना स्टॉप लॉस होता है, कितना रुपया स्टॉप लॉस होगा उतना रुपया टारगेट. 10 रुपया स्टॉप लॉस मतलब 10 रुपया टारगेट. ये देखो ऑन द ब्रेक ऑफ रेसिस्टेंस. ओके, अबे डबल कैंडलस्टिक पैटर्न पे चले गए. एनगल्फिंग कैंडलस्टिक पैटर्न. एनगल्फिंग में क्या होगा? देयर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ एनगल्फिंग. ये एक, when market is falling, engulfing will happen at support. Okay, all the candlesticks which we are discussing right now should happen at the support and resistance. Only these two things in the trading. So single candlestick is very risky, sir. Sir, by default उसका target होगा 1:1 नागराजू. Okay, now at support, whenever it is falling, there will be a red candle at the end of the fall, right? There will be a red candle. There will be a red candle, and after that there forms a green candle which is bigger than this, this red candle. This is the green candle. Engulf in the English मतलब खा जाना. इसको खा जाना. इसको खा गए तो ये इसका बॉडी के अंदर चल जाता है. ये नहीं दिखता है. इधर पे आप खड़ा के देखा तो ये नहीं दिखता है आपको. It is inside this big candlestick. That's why we call this as an engulfed. So always remember, it is a small candle which is red candle, and it is a big candle which is green candle. Green candle should cross above the high of this candle and close. Okay, then we call it as a engulf. When we trade on Nifty, Bank Nifty, those doji hammer patterns we need to consider on the index are futures. Bangaru Lenin, most of the time when you are trading, you will be trading in the futures, right? Then wherever you are trading, you must look the chart of that instrument only. Yes, Venkata Jagdish, we call it also outside bar. But the word engulf is very famous. Okay. The red candle is smaller, and this green candle will be bigger. Where do you take your entry here? This is the setup. ये setup हो गया at support में. तो entry कहाँ ले लोगे आप? Entry will be always above the high of the pattern. Remember, this is the concept I am telling you. if you get any pattern, your entry will be always high of that. कहाँ पे high है? Suppose the high is 100, your entry should be at 101. It is the confirmation. Where is the stop loss? Stop loss will be always below the low of that pattern. 99 है, I mean ये 90 है तो इसका 89 होगा स्टॉप लॉस. यस, इसको बोलता है बुलिश एनगल्फ. बुलिश एनगल्फ. अभी तक ये मार्केट बेरिश था, ये ग्रीन कैंडल एनगल्फ कर दिए उसको. कैसे कर दिए? बुलिश एनगल्फ कर दिए. नम्रता जी, आप इसके पहले अटेंड नहीं किया क्या सेशंस? दिस इज द फोर्थ सेशन ऑफ यू, राइट? दिस इज द फोर्थ सेशन फॉर यू, राइट? नम्रता जी, आई कैन रिमेम्बर योर नेम. प्लीज कंफर्म करो. तो देन वॉच योर फर्स्ट वीडियो. नम्रता जी, फर्स्ट वीडियो. Still, if you cannot understand, you can contact me. तो आपको रिकॉर्डिंग दिया हुआ ना, वॉच कर लो. So let us see this in chart. See, market is bullish, right? We already discussed that whenever there is a bullish trend, take only buy trade at support. Now you see here, it is a retracement happening. Retracement मतलब whenever it is going up, थोड़ा नीचे आएगा तो ऊपर जाएगा, थोड़ा नीचे आएगा ऊपर जाएगा. ये कभी नीचे आता है ना, तभी वो रेड कैंडल बना के नीचे आएगा ऐसे. और इसको बोलेंगे हम एनगल्फ, बिकॉज दिस कैंडल हैज एनगल्फ्ड दिस. पहला कैंडल को खा गए है और इसका हाई के भी ऊपर क्लोजिंग दिया है. आर यू एबल टू सी दिस? डू यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस? Manish, we have already given the immediate next day. We have given every day. We are giving after the session. We immediately next day we are giving all the recordings. So this is the engulf. Always look at the engulf at the support. Remember this point. If you miss this point, आपका ट्रेड खराब होगा. So where we are looking at support. इधर पे प्राइस एक्शन का सपोर्ट है और मूविंग एवरेज का सपोर्ट है. दिस इज द मूविंग एवरेज सपोर्ट. I already discussed that moving average is the dynamic support, dynamic trend line. Yes, Devrai. Whatever, sir, whatever the moving average you are using, this one is a 20. Shashidhar, when you joined IFM, Shashidhar sir, this is support, right? सपोर्ट पे रेड कैंडल आ गए फॉलिंग में और ये एनगल्फिंग कर दिया उसको. सी, वेरी बिग एनगल्फिंग. सर देन यू विल, सर अभी शशिधर जी आपको सेशंस अभी अलॉट नहीं किया है. आपको क्या क्या रिकॉर्डिंग देगा अभी उसको वॉच करना है. बाद में आपको सेशंस अलॉट किया जाएगा. ये सेशंस है प्रीवियस बैच का. आपको रिपीटेशन अच्छे लगता है और आपका दिमाग में अच्छा जाता है करके ये सेशन का एक्सेस दिए गए हैं. ओके, 1000 years sir, Srinivas Raj, 1000 years. What about wick portion? See the next candle, if it covers the high and close above this, is enough. उसको बोलेंगे हमें engulf. ये इधर there is no very, I mean, क्या बोलेगा इसको, ये नीचे आना ही नहीं है, मतलब there is no need to cover this wick. There is no need to cover the wick. Okay, the next candle should close above the high of this red candle. Pankaj Sutradhar, and one more question. One more person has asked this. Okay, main closing का देखो, नीचे का मत देखो, because sometimes the opening will be gap up. This is engulf, and this is engulf. Okay, this is engulf. And this is engulf. And this is engulf. These two candles. So if you know any stocks which has given a bullish engulf, let me know. But they are below moving average. Sunil, I am showing only the engulf pattern. Okay, that pattern should have come at the support, then it will work. This is engulf, and this is engulf. And this is engulf. NG. It is not engulf, sir. ये engulf नहीं है. Who is Bangar Raju Lenin? This is not engulf. Okay. This is engulf. Engulf matlab it should close above the high of this candle. Some people take it as a engulf. What to do? Their thinking is different. Yes, Pius. Yes. See, there will be strength for the trades. When it is perfect, the strength will become stronger. आप adjust कर लो और ले लो ट्रेड, बोला तो कैसे? ये देखो, ये engulf bullish. Okay, it is over. उधर पे टाइम लगाना ज्यादा नहीं. So let us move. And suppose this is the resistance. This is the resistance. Okay. And price is approaching. Price is approaching, going up, and the trend was down earlier. When the price is approaching here by creating a green candles, and later there is a red candle which covers the low of this and closes below the previous green candle. उसको बोलेंगे bearish engulf. वो पहला था bullish, ये bearish. Okay, the green candle is engulfed by a red candle, that's why it is a bearish engulf. इसका एंट्री होगा बिलो द लो ऑफ द कैंडल, एंट्री सिग्नल कैंडल. इसका स्टॉप लॉस होगा अबोव द हाई ऑफ बोथ द कैंडल्स. दोनों कैंडल का हाई देख लो और किसी का हाई बड़ा है उसका हाई के ऊपर आपका स्टॉप लॉस. बॉडी आर वीक विच शुड कवर द लो ऑफ द प्रीवियस. बायस लो, बाइंग पे हाई कवर करना, प्रीवियस डे का हाई कवर करना इंपॉर्टेंट है. सेलिंग पे बेरिश एंगल्फ पे प्रीवियस डे का लो कवर करना वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. देवाशीष जी वो मत सोचो अभी ये क्या सिखा रहे हैं, ये सोचो उसका टॉपिक आएगा हमें सिखाएगा. ओके, let us see this in. Now you can see this is the engulf which is closed below this. It was given a retracement by a green candle. Later this is the bearish engulf. Let us see some more. You can see these two candles, a green candle और a red candle के लिए देख लेना. Both the candles, this one and this one, it has engulfed. तो इसका एंट्री कहाँ मिला है? When it breaks the low of this, इसी दिन पे मिला है इसका एंट्री, तभी तक एंट्री नहीं मिला है. गॉट इट? अभी ये भी है. Let us go to our bank nifty and nifty charts. You can see clear engulf here. Okay, आपका एंट्री कहाँ होगा? Below this. And where is the stop loss? Stop loss will be above this. Again, what is this? What is this? What is this? What is this pattern? Bearish engulf. Bearish engulf. Good. Where it is happening? At resistance. At resistance. अभी क्या होगा? अभी क्या होगा? बट एंट्री नहीं होगा सर. देखेंगे. We sell below the low of candle. Supply in this candle. Stop loss in this candle will be high sir. इधर पे आपका एंट्री होगा इधर. अभी पोजिशनल कंफर्मेशन नहीं मिला है सेल का एंट्री. We will wait for the low to break, then we can trade for sell. Yes, Namrata madam. Yes. This is one more. This is the engulfing happened at the bottom. Okay, this candle engulfed two candles. When a single candle engulfs more candles than two candles, it will be very powerful. What should be the targets? अभी उसका entry नहीं मिला मैडम. There should be back to back candle. Hammer followed by B is not confirmation. सर थोड़ा मुझे समझ में आना ऐसे पूछे क्वेश्चन. Your entry will be below this low. Okay, and target will be height of this same candle. Devrai, sir, those who are taking training not enter, but yet it will down or up. How it is possible? I did not understand your question, sir. Devrai. Bhaskar, good question. Stop loss points are more than how to manage the risk. Good. ऐसे क्वेश्चन पूछा तो आपको बहुत अच्छा आंसर मिलेगा. See, when you get a green candle, suppose take this only. कल आपका ये लो ब्रेक कर दिए. Okay. The talented trader will never take a trade below this. The reason, somebody tell me. Okay, Veena madam. Talented trader will never take the trade below this low. Tell me the reason. Yes, Girish Reddy. Fantastic. Yes. Naveen Kumar also right. Yes. See, it is not necessary to take all the confirmations, all the entries. Okay. It should come under your pocket. So once this entry confirms, wait, if the price comes back to this area on retracement, then take the trade according to your risk. आपका रिस्क में आ गए तो आप इधर लेना है. Then it will give you a retracement. At least if it comes till here, it will be your profit. See, I will tell you one secret. Remember this. Whenever your entry triggers and your stop loss is very huge, immediately don't take the trade. Then turn that into lower time frame. ये daily time frame है ना. तो इसका activate हो गया तो turn this into 15 minutes or 1 hour or 30 minutes and mark your risk levels. कितना रिस्क ले सकते हैं आप, इतना या इतना मार्क करके बैठो, तभी प्राइस उधर पे आता है ना, ट्रेड ले लेना, सेल ट्रेड, स्टॉप लॉस इधर लगाओ, सिंपल. यस देवराय को सभी पता है, फिर भी आप पूछते हैं. गॉट इट. ओके, नाउ आई विल टेल यू वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग. अभी इस पे ज्यादा ध्यान देना है. आई टोल्ड यू at सपोर्ट में क्या क्या कैंडलस्टिक पैटर्न्स के यूज करके बाई करते हैं, उसी कैंडलस्टिक को हैमर and dragonfly doji, this is that support for the buying. Okay, यही कैंडलस्टिक आपको रेसिस्टेंस पे आ गए तो, यही कैंडलस्टिक रेसिस्टेंस पे आ गए तो समझो ट्रेंड का एंड हो गए. यस भारती मैडम, दिस इज very secret I am telling you. Okay, there are a lot of things to understand from this, but I am telling you some nuggets. कौन सी बाइंग पैटर्न है ना, वो रेसिस्टेंस पे आ गए तो दैट should be understood that trend is going to end. Whichever I told at resistance, inverted hammer and gravestone doji, if this comes at support, you must think that it is going to end. Whatever the trend was there, it is going to end. Got it? अभी ज्यादा नहीं बोल सकते मैं. Intelligent traders will understand this. इधर किधर पे क्या आना चाहिए, वो आना चाहिए. अभी इसका जोड़ में मैं दो पैटर्न सीखा, एक दो कैंडलस्टिक पैटर्न, वो भी वैसे कहाँ आना है, उधर पे आना है. सो उल्टा पे आ गए तो समझो रिवर्सल होने के लिए रेडी रखो. Easy to remember now. Good. सो अभी तक सारा डाउट्स खत्म हो गए. यस यस सुजीत कुमार. यस यस. गुड. अनिल जी, मैं ये बोल रहा हूँ, अच्छा से समझो. बाई का पैटर्न क्या क्या आपको सिखा दिए ना अभी, वो कहाँ पे आना है, सपोर्ट पे आना है. समझो वही पैटर्न रेसिस्टेंस पे आ गए, सेम पैटर्न रेसिस्टेंस पे आ गए, उसका मतलब है पहले का ट्रेंड क्या है, वो रिवर्सल हो सकता है मैक्सिमम. राजन, इफ यू आर फ्रॉम न्यू बैच, ओके, आपको सपोर्ट एंड रेजिस्टेंस का क्लास होगा, उसी में आपको पता चलेगा. राजन जी, ओके, लेट अस मूव टू नेक्स्ट सेशन, नेक्स्ट पैटर्न. Third one is very, very important. Remember this. Inside bar. In Japanese, we call it as a harami. Okay. It is better to call inside bar. We are Indians. It will give bad meaning for us. Okay. We will pronounce it as a inside bar. Rajanji, if you are from old batch, you might not attended previous classes. We also given recordings to you. Please watch that, sir. थोड़ा आप community में देखना चाहिए. You should not be inactive. We have posted a lot of things in the community. What is inside bar? This is also second two candlestick pattern where same at support or at resistance. Whenever the price is falling, it is creating red candles, right? Red candles. Immediately, if you get the green candle, which is smaller than this red candle, this green candle is within this red candle. आप इधर इधर से देखा तो ये नहीं दिखेगा. Okay, the high and low of this small candle is within the high and low of this previous red candle. Did you understand this? Did you understand this? Did you understand this? Yes, Giri Reddy, including wick. Okay, including wick. Now इसमें इसको बोलेंगे inside bar. This is called inside bar. ये inside bar कहाँ पे होगा? इसके inside होगा. Then okay Nagraju. Then your entry will be above this bar. This is your entry. And stop loss will be this. Okay, because it is at support, you are taking buy trade. Same thing, when price approaches the resistance, definitely it will be approaching by creating green candles, right? Price ऊपर जाना है तो ये green candle ही बनना चाहिए. So after green candle, if you get a small red candle, the total body and wicks are inside the previous green candle, then you need to take sell trade. Where to take the sell trade? Below the low of this mother candle. Below the low of this mother candle, sell. Where is the stop loss? Above the high of this mother candle. इसी को बोलेंगे हमें मदर कैंडल, इसको बोलेंगे बच्चे कैंडल. बच्चे माँ के अंदर है. हरामी मतलब pregnant lady in the Japan. Okay, it is inside the stomach of this mother candle. That's why we call it as a mother candle. This is a baby candle. Sagar, for buying, it should be red. For selling, it should be green. Is it clear? Is it clear? Price is moving upside. You got a green candle, and within this there is a red candle, and the break of the low is entry, and you can see the move. Okay, where does we get this? At the resistance. It is for sell. And let us see one more. This is a red candle. Inside this there is a green candle. Okay, there are two candles which are inside this candle, red candle. Now mark the high and low of this. Take the entry here, and this is your stop loss, and this is upside movement. Should be child candle be green only at support? Yes. Yes, Ramna. Even if it is a red, chalta hai. Chalta hai. Yes, any time frame. So there is some 3-4 traders, okay, who are trading only on this pattern. 3-4 traders who are trading only on this pattern. Okay. So all the pattern, remember the target of the all the pattern is by default 1:1. Kenis, you need to enter at the high of the mother candle. Kenis, if you have a good experience in trading, then you can enter above the inside baby candle. Got it, Lucas Ji? The most people misguide that looking at body, इस body के अंदर close हो गए तो बस इसको बोलते हैं inside bar. No, don't listen all that YouTube knowledge. This, what is the low of this is 39.65 and low of this is 40. It has a broken. What is the low of this? You can also use this. This is a little bit advanced. If you cannot understand this, better to go at the resistances and supports. Any doubts? Any doubts? Lot of baby candles. Lot of baby candles. Yes, please contact customer care. I already told you, no. I have given number also. वो सारे आपको help करेंगे. Maybe some mistake has happened. Venkata Jagdish Kumar, it should be in the opposite color. Okay. It should be in the opposite color. Sometimes the same color also works. Let us see in the Bank Nifty. आज का trade. So anybody tell me who is the best Bank Nifty trader here in this group? Swing के core सकते हैं. Devray, I did not understand, sir. If we enter at the high of baby candle, there is a chance of mother candle high will act as a resistance. Yes, Bhaskar Reddy, exactly. That's the reason we enter above the mother candle high. Yes, inside bar candle, the support resistance area color will change. Yes, Stephen. So those Debasis, what is your time frame? आपका time frame कहाँ क्या है? 5 minutes only. Okay, let us go to 5 minutes. In 5 minutes, it is a resistance. There is a resistance. It was a resistance. Okay, and this is the support and this is the support. यहाँ पे क्या हुआ है at resistance? There is an engulf happened in the 5 minutes. Okay, once you take entry below this, your immediate target will be here, and this has given a breakdown. You can see some people who has attended previous chart candlestick patterns. ये पता लगा क्या? Can you understand what is the pattern this? ये pattern क्या है? Ramana, I traded in this day. Mother has a big. Yes, triangle, rising wedge, triangle. Okay. Sir, it is not flag. Who is saying flag? Ramana ji. It is a triangle. Triangle, sir. You can see it is a triangle. It is not flag. Okay. Triangle breakdown has happened here. You can see. I told you the height of this is the target from here to here. Right? This was the height and this is the target. Either pe target. Sagar Janna, please combine your both the sentence and paste it. वो एक लाइन उधर पे टाइप करके इधर एक टाइप करते हैं ना, वो चला जाता है ऊपर. If mother candle has a wick and baby candle has a mirabuz, sir, whatever baby candle कैसे भी हो, वो डोजी हो कैसे भी हो, वो baby candle है. Ascending triangle. Yes, sir. Ascending triangle is a triangle, right? Crude oil. Which time frame? Naveen? Yes, Bharati madam. Yes. 3 minutes. Oh, don't trade in 3 minutes. Crude oil. Don't take trades in crude oil. Sometimes what will happen? Very illiquid in 3 minutes. See, there is inside bar here. Okay. Above this is the entry. This is the stop loss. So ये तो support में आना चाहिए. Look at this earlier if you have a support anywhere here. Yes, it is a flip area. It is a flip area. क्यों इधर हाई है? The reason is it is a flip area. That's why you can take this trade. See, this is the single candlestick pattern. This is also a single candlestick pattern entry in the crude oil. And if you turn this into lower time frame, you got by inside bar candlestick pattern. You got the trade by inside candlestick pattern because at support, you can see this is the support. पहले क्या हुआ था? ये रेजिस्टेंस था, ऐसे ब्रेकआउट हुआ, ये रेजिस्टेंस अभी सपोर्ट हो गई. तो अभी इधर आके वो दोनों कैंडलस्टिक पैटर्न बनाए और ऊपर गए. What is the best time frame to trade in crude oil? 15 minutes is the best, sir. 15 minutes. Bharti madam, look at this. This is also doji. Okay. Bank Nifty time frame. Better time frames are. Bank Nifty is a very volatile stock. New people can start with 15 minutes for Nifty and Bank Nifty, and after some advance and experience, you can go to 5 minutes. New people should always start with a higher time frame. More the bigger the time frame, better for you to do good analysis. How many lectures are there remaining, Sagar? How many you want, sir? How many you want? See, because to make you understand, I am taking very slow. नहीं तो अभी आपको 6 खत्म हो जाएगा. I am spending lot of time to make you understand. Sagar ji, is it slow or fast? Slow, अभी slow कर दिया तो बोर हो जाएगा. Yes, yes, Sagar ji. Anupam, Anup, you will get recording. Thank you, Sujit Kumar. Thank you, madam. Bharti madam. स्लो के रेंज बाउंड जाएगा. स्लो होने से रेंज बाउंड हो जाएगा. ओके ओके दे बॉसेस. Okay, so we have studied all the patterns, two candlestick pattern, single candlestick pattern. Next session में थ्री कैंडलस्टिक पैटर्न को लेंगे या यही सेशन में करेंगे. इट इज योर विश. डेट 17-15 मिनट टाइम फ्रेम इज देयर इनसाइड बार. डेट 17th पे 15th 2018. Who is that question? Next session. Anil Balla, please check crude oil date 17th, time frame 15, 21 hours is there inside bar. 21 hours. Yes, yes, sir. Yes. इसका एंट्री नहीं मिला आपको. अनिल बल्ला. बंगारू लेनिन. We will learn some setup in the next session. Acquired good important session. Please finish it to the recording also good. Three candlestick pattern. कर देंगे. I think we should keep three candlestick pattern chapter for tomorrow. Sagar wanted to know crude oil का support and resistance. Draw the supports and resistance to all the highs and lows. Okay. This is how we need to draw the resistance and supports. Pavan Kumar, kya? Pavan Kumar, where are you from? Kanpur. Okay. I thought you are from Andhra. So let me continue that three candlestick pattern also, because there are only two patterns only for buying and selling. If we trade in 15 minutes, resistance and support should mark on which time frame? See, support and resistance will come same both in 15 minutes and 1 hour. Yes, yes, Anil. Yes, Anil. Okay. See, there are two patterns, which is a piercing pattern and a dark cloud cover, which are rare patterns. Do you need to learn that? So I will show you very strongest patterns. Okay, very strongest patterns and very easy to understand. आपको easy से दिमाग में रहना तो ट्रेड लेना है तो इतना बस. It is very easy to remember and easy to trade. Hammer and dragonfly doji for buying. Okay, and with this engulfing is for buying. ये तीनों बाई करने के लिए and ये तीनों सेल करने के लिए. Inverted hammer and gravestone doji and bearish engulf. If you remember this much, that is enough. Okay, these are very oftenly occurring patterns. इसका occurrence होगा 70 to 80%. 70 to 80% occurring होगा. There are lot of candlestick patterns. If you want, I will teach you. सर डिफरेंस नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है, ये रिवर्स हो जाएगा. ये इधर आ जाएगा, वो उधर आ जाएगा, कलर चेंज हो जाएगा बस. 13,110 का बैंक निफ्टी लो ना. 5 minutes time frame. Yes, it is engulf. Already we have discussed that. It is a bearish engulf. One more double candlestick pattern is, one is piercing pattern for buy, dark cloud for sell. It is very simple. It is very simple to understand. Buying मतलब वो support में भी आना चाहिए, इधर ही आना चाहिए, okay? And this will come like a बड़ा red candle होगा last में at support, and what will happen? There will be a small candle which is not able to engulf the previous candle. Simple. There will be a small green candle at support after the red candle, which is not able to engulf this red candle. इसको बोलेंगे piercing pattern. To tell this as a what is called that inside bar. Inside bar, sometimes what will happen is इसका wick बाहर होगा और इसका wick अंदर होगा. So it acts like a inside bar. इसका entry भी ये mother candle के ऊपर ही होगा. So that's why no need to study this piercing and dark cloud cover. So whatever till now I have taught, उतना आप सीख लिया तो बस. Anyway, I will take 5 minutes to teach this. Piercing pattern होगा support में. Red candle होगा, उसके बाद एक green candle होगा. वो green candle, it is not able to cross the high of this and close. तो उसका entry क्या होगा? Entry will be above the high of this candle, this red candle. Stop loss क्या होगा? The low of both of these candles will be stop loss. Okay. And dark cloud cover. Dark cloud cover will come at resistance. Resistance पे आएगा आपको. तो इधर पे क्या होगा? There is a red candle at the resistance, and there will be a green candle at the resistance. There will be a green candle at the resistance first. Then there is a red candle which is not able to engulf. Not able to engulf. तो इसका एंट्री क्या है? ये मदर कैंडल का नीचे सेल एंड इधर पे स्टॉप लॉस. ये चार्ट पे देखेंगे. See, it is like this. It is like this. There is a red candle and there is a green candle. इसका ग्रीन कैंडल का टाइल बाहर आ गए. इसको इनसाइड कैंडल बोलेंगे तो नहीं हो सकता. तो इसका टाइल बाहर आ गए. इसी के बोलेंगे हमें piercing candle. So it will close above the 50%. It will close above the 50% of the previous red candle, but it does not engulf the previous candle. तो इसका एंट्री होता है above the high of this candle is your entry, and इधर पे आपका स्टॉप लॉस होगा. ये piercing पैटर्न है. ये भी देखो, above the 50%. It is not above the 50%. It is not piercing. See, piercing pattern का closing होगा. The next green candle should close above the 50% of this red candle. नहीं तो वो powerful नहीं है, नहीं लेना है trade. And like this, above the 50%. This one. Can you possible explain Tamil those two pairs patterns? Stefan, which pattern? Yes, Bangaru Lenin. It looks like Harami. Sometimes उसका wick बाहर आ जाता है. उसके वास्ते उसको हरामी नहीं कहते. The trading will be in the same pattern. Trading will be in the same pattern of the Harami pattern. Giri Reddy, for buy, it should be above the 50% of red candle. Green candle ka close. Next candle ఉంటుంది కదా, ఈ గ్రీన్ క్యాండల్ ప్రీవియస్ రెడ్ క్యాండల్ లో 50% కింద ఎక్కువ క్లోజ్ కావాలి, దీనికన్నా ఎక్కువ క్లోజ్ కావాలి. ఇట్ షుడ్ నాట్ బి బిలో దిస్ 50%. Sir, piercing pattern simple, understand. Whenever market is falling, there will be red candles forming. Okay, at support, one red candle will form. Next, what will happen? One green candle will form. Okay, and the closing of this green candle is must be above the half of this red candle. The closing, Stefan, the closing of this green candle should be above the half of this red candle. For that we will tell this as a piercing candle. ये दोनों को बोलेंगे piercing candle setup. So आपका entry कहा है, your entry will be above the high of this red candle itself, and stop loss will be the low of both of this candle. Okay, Stefan ji. Dark cloud cover is same opposite. Now see, this is a green candle, this is the green candle. Whenever moving upside, we are forming a green candles. एक candle क्या किया है, red candle, it has given a closing below the half of this green candle, right? And where will be your entry? This will become the dark cloud cover. Where will be your entry? Below the low of this candle, this green candle. Here is your entry. Where will be the stop loss? ये दोनों कैंडल का हाई के ऊपर स्टॉप लॉस. ओके, दिस इज स्टॉप लॉस हंट, इसको बोलेंगे स्टॉप लॉस हंट. That is the reason you can see immediately this much of fall has come. 23rd March 12:45 Bangaru Lenin. Which script? Bank Nifty 23rd March. $12.45. It is not cloud cover. Who told this? Lenin. This is not cloud cover because it has not given a close below the 50% of this green candle. You can see. So when this red candle closes below the 50%, you can consider both as one candle which closed below the 50%. Now you can take the entry below this. Lenin, 18th March at BTC USD. నవీన్ కుమార్ ఎక్కడో వెళ్ళిపోయావయ్యా నువ్వు. Remember, the closing should be above the 50%. And this is also not piercing because the closing should be above the 50% of this red candle. Is it clear? Any doubts on this piercing and dark cloud cover? There is an example here. It will become the harami. This is the harami. See, very insane patterns are appearing in Bank Nifty stocks and Bank Nifty. You can see, if you go and see any of check your charts, it is very rare this kind of patterns form. Red candle and red candle inside bar, a green candle inside bar. It is very rare. Bangaru Lenin, don't go for a lot of tools. That will confuse you. Just mark the 50% of that candle. That is enough. If you still want to go to Fibonacci, there is a tool here. Okay. Mark the high and low of this, like any candle. Then that will show you 50%. There is a 50% here. 50% mark. You can see there is a 50% mark here. Just to draw the horizontal line there. Lenin, you just draw the horizontal line there. If that closes below this, then you can go. Minimize the tools. Naveen, which stock? BTC USD na? Okay, what pattern? Devendra ji. 15 minutes, 18 March ki. 15 minutes. Oh, ho, ho. How to go 1 month? Huh? Uh, 15 minutes ki 6:45. Yes, it is closed below 50%. It is at the 50%, exactly. You can take it. మార్నింగ్ స్టార్ ఈవినింగ్ స్టార్ అంతే గిరిరెడ్డి సార్ అయిపోయింది టైం. For trading, consider any time frame like 5, 15, 30 minutes according to the time frame. Candle target should be lighter at the time frame candle. Yes, Abhishek Gupta ji. Yes. So, any doubts? Can we wind up the session? If you have any doubts, please write down and ask in next session. It is a dark cloud cover. You can see this one. It is closed below the 50% of this green candle. This is the entry. Yes, Venkata Jagadish Kumar. Every day you cannot say whether it goes up and down. Stephen sir, we need some confirmation. We are at resistance and we have got a doji candle. Sorry, inside bar. You need to understand. Daily pay, Stephen ji. அங்க என்னக்கும் ரெசிஸ்டன்ஸ் இருக்குனா அங்க எந்த வந்திருக்கும் inside bar. Inside bar means it is stopping. Entry is done here. अभी entry मिला है इसमें. Entry मिल गए. This is the stop loss. Good information waiting for next session. Sunil Dandle. What price? Okay, Anil Naveen Kumar. Sir, इसमें क्या होगा ना? When you take based on candlestick, the target will be 1:1. इधर से इधर कितना है distance, उतना ही आपका target होगा. And if you take on multiple candlestick patterns like a flag and all, your target will be bigger. There is my number in IFM community admin list, Bangaru Lenin. On that WhatsApp, you can message me. April means you are new, Manish ji. Roshan, later after learning all this. Okay. Good night to everyone. Good night.